the high-pitched and often acrimonious campaign for the Karnataka Assembly polls came to a close, the Election Commission issued a letter to Congress President Mallikarjun Kharge asking to provide clarification and take rectification measures over Sonia Gandhi's Karnataka sovereignty remark. The BJP had previously filed a complaint regarding the same and had asked the EC to take action against Sonia Gandhi. The Bharatiya Janata Party had also demanded an FIR against her. Observing that the said tweet violates provisions of the Representation of People Act, the poll body in a letter to Congress President Mallikarjun Kharge said, "You are required to clarify and take rectification measures in respect of the social media post which has been put up on the INC Twitter handle and attributed to Chairperson CPP." The tweet from the Congress official handle said, "CPP Chairperson Srimati Sonia Gandhi ji sends a strong message to 6.5 crore Kannadigas. The Congress will not allow anyone to pose a threat to Karnataka's reputation, sovereignty or integrity." The BJP in its complaint said that Karnataka is a very important member state in the Union of India and any call to protect the sovereignty of a member state of the Union of India amounts to a call for secession and is fraught with perilous and pernicious consequences. Targeting Sonia Gandhi, the complaint further read that when a country becomes independent, that country is called a sovereign country. India is a sovereign country and the state of Karnataka is a proud part of it. Till today, no one raised any question about the integrity of Kannadigas with the sovereignty of the nation. The BJP further alleged that Sonia Gandhi's remark would lead to division on the basis of language and statehood. Meanwhile, the Congress filed a counter-complaint with the poll body in Bengaluru seeking a case against Prime Minister Narendra Modi, accusing him of making a false statement that Congress is trying to disintegrate Karnataka from Bharat. The petition said that he made the false, baseless, frivolous allegations to seek votes only to solicit votes for the BJP. It said that Prime Minister's statement was absolutely perverse and without an iota of responsibility. At a public meeting in Mysuru district on Sunday, Mr. Modi had accused the Congress of openly advocating for separating Karnataka from India. The fight between the BJP and the Congress in Karnataka is a close one and has intensified as the polling date comes close. The voting is all set to take place on the 10th of May, the counting for which will take place on the 13th.